Hello YouTube, my name's Darius. This is kind of weird because I'm about to install this cold air intake on my car, and I just didn't want to not record anything. I've never made a YouTube video, but I've always wanted to, so why not start now? This is a perfect and easy modification to my V6 Mustang 2001 convertible. So yeah, it's so awkward holding my camera to my face, like with the screen the other way. I can't see. The camera got me in an angle if I'm too close or too far. But yeah, I'm gonna get into this install. What you're gonna need is you're gonna need a 2mm socket and a 10mm wrench. So I'm doing this right at Pet Boys. I just got my socket set right now, and I'm starting to take apart this. I just did this clip right here. There's also another one right here, and I think that's the mass airflow. You're gonna have to put that on your new one. There's also a clip right here. I'm just seeing. I watch videos, but like I'm literally just watching it and pulling stuff apart as I go. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go here with a flathead or a 10mm, and here, and take off these clamps. I'll be right back because I'm the only one here, so I'm filming this. I got this part loose and everything. Now I don't know, they never told me this, but there's actually an 8mm. Let me see if I can spin that and you guys can even see that. Yeah, an 8mm right here that needs to come off. All right. So yes, another update. I took off the math. As you can see, it's in there. You're gonna want to be careful with this, but put it up because you're definitely gonna want to put it in your next cold air intake, or your new intake. I mean, sorry. And this guy, after you take out the middle piece, this guy just comes out. You can't really do it if it's in. Let's see how bad that is. Jeez. And it's not, yeah, that's kind of bad. That's nasty. I had leaves in there. That's horrible. So yeah, now I'm gonna just maybe pop this guy off. I loosened everything so I could record while I'm taking it off. There you go. Awesome. Now out with the old and in with the new. I'm gonna read the instructions and get back to you guys. Okay guys, so when you buy your cold air intake off of American Muscle, they're gonna send this to you, and like I said to you guys earlier, there's an 8mm wrench. I mean, I don't know if it's just my car, but yeah, it was an 8, not a 10. Next we're gonna put the MAF sensor in, or the IAT sensor. Then we're gonna put this bracket on. Just a little update for you guys. So also the mask has the start whatever, yeah, I don't have that tool, so I'm about to go back in here. Good thing that I'm already here, and go right back in and see if I can get something better. But yeah, it has this fucking thing in the middle, so yeah, I can't stick any bit in there. All right, YouTube, back yet again. Finally, I got this right here. This is only about $9, and it's a Torx bit. Has all of them, and it has the hole in the middle, which is very important. I guess on some of them. Wait, what the fuck? Here we go. Yeah, the hole in the middle. We need that. All right, I'm not gonna lie. I live in Connecticut, it's starting to rain, and this seems to be a hard install because there's a certain part for the math that didn't come, and I'm pretty sure it's because I bought like the cheaper one. I'm not that sure, but most likely. And when I'm trying to put this in here, this just keeps hitting this. I'm sure it's gonna eventually get in there, but you know, this is annoying. All right guys, so I'm on 8%. It's taking forever. As you can see, this is bent, so I'm not even sure if this flange will even work for this, and also they didn't give me the metal piece that goes for this air intake, so I'm going to use the stock piece for the MAF. But yeah, I mean, look at that. This is American Muscle. This is their product. I mean, I know this is the cheaper one, but that's horrible. And the box wasn't that messed up, so I'm pretty sure this happened, like, you know, before it got shipped out to me. All right, so after you finally bend this piece back, if you did buy it from American Muscle and they shipped you out some trash, yeah, there's gonna be a gasket right here. You're gonna put that on there. You can use the hardware that came with it and these nuts. So I'm gonna just seal that up, put the MAF on there, and then put it in there. All right, guys, so here's the last update. I finished it up. See, this has like a little kink in it right here. I don't really like that. I'm gonna see how it feels, and then I'm gonna do a review video. I'm sorry I couldn't really record too much, but I'm by myself and it's raining and I'm on low battery, so here's what I got. All right, guys, bear with me. I'm kind of tired and my back hurts. I've been hunching over this car for a couple hours, you know, but yeah, I got it together. It actually came together pretty nice. This bin kind of like came back out. Now, I did fuck up, and I want to record this because someone else might fuck up the same way, because those paper instructions were kind of, you know, iffy. But some of these clamps, well, one of them is bigger, and it's actually for the filter right here. But yeah, it's in there. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's kind of dark in there, but what the hell was I saying? I'm tired. But yeah, one of the clamps is bigger than the others, and that's actually the one for the filter. I don't know if you guys can see the filter in there that they got for me, but yeah, I messed up and put it there instead of there, so now I have to take off this whole thing because it's actually a very tight fit. There's not really a way for me to just take off that one or anywhere. I'm just gonna take off the whole thing. So yeah.